If speaking is like pulling chocolates from your pocket, what matters most? During these 10 years of revisiting language learning, I found that the core method for mastering any language is essentially the same. It all starts with massive amounts of comprehensible input. If you want to use a language fluently, the simplest and most effective way is to follow a science-backed sequence. Listening, speaking, reading, and writing in that exact order. Just like how we acquire our mother tongue as children, back then, all the comprehensible input came through listening. The writing system, after all, is merely a symbol system that records language. In other words, even without this written code, language itself can be passed on orally. That's why language learning must begin with listening, just like a child learning to speak. The more you listen, the better. Let your brain naturally build connections between sounds and real-world contexts. That's the true essence of language acquisition. Only after you've listened enough, say around 250 hours, should you move on to the symbol systems that records the language, its script. Until when you do start learning characters, all you need is to watch subtitled and voiced materials, matching the written symbols with the vast repository of language you've already built up in your mind. So, listening is the foundation of all language learning. Let me ask you, if speaking is like pulling chocolates from your pocket, what matters most? You've got to have chocolates in your pockets. In language, your chocolates are all the words, phrases, and patterns you've absorbed. No input, no output. It's that simple. That's where this channel comes in. We use engaging Chinese videos to help you stock up on those chocolates, filling your mind with the language you need. Of course, as adults, we don't have to wait like babies, listening for a year before speaking. While doing plenty of listening, we can also start speaking right away through shadowing. In fact, shadowing can strengthen the connection between the scenes and sounds in our brain, making language input even more efficient.